Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at our Quadratec Heritage Premium front seats. Available fit the 76 to 06 Jeep CJ and Wrangler YJ and TJ. Our Heritage front seats are a stylish, comfortable, and very affordable option for replacing those older, worn out, faded, ripped, torn, or otherwise totally destroyed seats in your Jeep CJ or Wrangler. Our Heritage seat offers a high back design with a fixed back and an integrated headrest. Now, the design of this seat offers a great timeless look and style, so it's going to look just as great in your Jeep CJ as it will in your Jeep Wrangler YJ or TJ. The Heritage seat features a durable, UV tested and UV resistant vinyl fabric over top of a high density flame resistant foam to give you a very comfortable seat. Whether you're simply on your next road trip or spending a day on the trails, the Heritage seat is going to be a very comfortable place to sit. We've also got these great reinforced bottom and back side bolsters to help keep you planted in the Heritage seat and keep you from sliding around, especially if you're out on the trails. As you can see, the seat is available in your choice of 3 different fantastic color options. Of course, we've got a traditional black seat there in the TJ. We also have a great looking brown seat option for you and a nice light gray color. So whether you're simply trying to replace your existing worn out seats with a similarly colored seat, or if you want to take the opportunity to change up the look of the interior of your CJ or Wrangler, the Heritage seat is a great option for you. Now, we wanted to make sure that the installation of your new Heritage seats could not be easier. So for you out there with an older Jeep CJ, so 76 through 95 CJs or Wrangler YJs, the Heritage seats are going to bolt right in to your factory seat risers or rails. Now, if you have a slightly newer Jeep Wrangler TJ, so 97 to 06, you'll simply require the addition of a seat adapter bracket to get your Heritage seats mounted into your Jeep. Those brackets are available from manufacturers like Smittybilt, Rugged Ridge, and Bestop, and you can get more information on all of those adapter brackets by clicking that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. You'll start by bolting that adapter bracket to the bottom of your Heritage seat, and then you can install the seat and bracket together on top of your factory sliders inside of your Jeep. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase either a single or pair of our Quadratec Heritage Premium front seats for your Jeep CJ or Wrangler YJ or TJ, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the seats or how to get them installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.